Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You are tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. Today we're going to be exploring Genius brands in a different view. I actually got rid of that dome formation, that inverted dome formation. If you guys are new, just joining us, welcome, and I'll keep you up to speed and leave links in the videos. We cover this quite extensively. And of course, leave an appropriate thumb, leave a comment, and subscribe. This engagement helps promote the channels, guys. Thank you for that, including our loyal subscribers. Guys, I think you're going to like this. Let me just go ahead and dive right into the charts so that I can go ahead and reveal that the new lines and everything that we put on the chart. So let's get into this, shall we? All right, so today's January the 19th, 2021, and the current price of Genius Brand is going to be $1.41. It's down about 1.4% for the day. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and reveal these lines, guys. These are the monthly candles, so we're going to take a really nice macroscopic look at this, and I think it's interesting. So here it is. That's it. Well, that's actually not it. There's something else. Okay, that is it. These are the Bollinger Bands, and obviously it says 8 months here, and then right here over the present day, it's 9 months. I'm going to explain everything, guys. So let's just go ahead and take a closer look at what we have here. Now, for those of you who don't understand Bollinger Bands, just kind of do a really quick research, guys. The upper lip, just the price action typically, 95% of price action takes place in between these two yellow line here, the bottom line here, and then this top line here. And then the middle white line is actually what we're going to focus on throughout this video. So that's, if you don't remember anything what I said, just remember we're focusing on this white line throughout the entire video. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Okay, so that's just a briefing on the Bollinger Bands. Now, I want to explain to you what this 8 months, this basically means here. The price action started at about May 2016, and it kind of broke down here at about January 2017. But let me just explain why I'm counting only 8 months here. And again, what we're focusing on is the monthly candles above the white mean average line in between the Bollinger Bands. Let me get a really nice view of this so you can see this here. So we're actually starting here on this green circled candle here because, again, this is the monthly candle that actually closed above this white line right here, guys. I think I explained it a million times. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this candle right here is the 8th candle. We're not going to count this candle because it actually closed below the white line that we're paying close attention to, okay? So keep this in mind as we go over to present day. And again, it's only been 8 months that the price action has ever spent above the mean average on the monthly Bollinger Bands as far back as the TradingView data can show me here. So you see it kind of cuts off right here at December 2015. So let's crank it on over to present day. And obviously you see here 9 months with an exclamation and a question mark because the price action has actually done something it has never done ever in the history, as far as what I can see here on the data here on TradingView on the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so the same thing, we're going to measure this green candle here in May 2020. I didn't want to count this as the official breakup, but let's just stick with it for now. These represent these monthly candles represent 9 months above this white mean average line. Now this month we're currently in, okay? This is important because we still had 10 days to close on this monthly candle, and anything can change. It could go up, it could go down. I'm not all over the place, critics. Relax, okay? I'm actually, the range that we're currently within is still the same. I made a prediction that the price will likely be within, I'll just put a line for you here, $1.46 all the way down to $1.20. Okay, and I'll just put that line right about there. Okay, hopefully we left a link so you guys can verify that our credentials are yes, that I did expect to see the price within this range towards the end of the month, and this could obviously change today. Okay, it could actually break up above this $1.46 level, which is very important. I've explained this many times on our previous videos. Okay. But I do think in closing that the price will be likely within this area. It's spending a little bit too much time near the 46-cent level, which leads me to believe that maybe, guys, maybe we'll get a close closer. Get a close. I can't talk today. My lips are in the way. We'll get a close closer to the $1.20 level towards the end of the month. I hope I'm wrong about that for the bullish case. Okay. And remember, guys, I'm still invested in this. Okay. I have to give you both scenarios here. But let's focus on what we've come here today, and for the 9 months and this arrow here. We have 9 months above this white line. Remember, just paying attention to this white line here. Okay. So if the sellers have an interest in this market, what they're going to try and do before the end of this month or even next month, their obligation, remember that's an important word, guys. The seller's obligation is to first break below this barrier here at $1.20, okay? If they break below that level, then of course their next obligation to continue this overall trajectory that has been in with forever, guys, since 2004. I can't make this up. You guys can see this is clear as day. If I back out, the price has been going down. Okay, I cannot make that up. Okay, some may disagree. That's fine. It's perfectly confined in a potential sideways consolidation, but still subjected to a downtrend. Let's be very clear about this. Okay, what we are participating in right now, again, I am invested, is a counter trend play. We are anticipating a bullish move and a potential still existing bearish trajectory. I'm very particular about what I say in the way that my verbiage, guys. You can correct me down in the comment section if I said anything wrong. I'm okay with that being constructively criticized, okay? So let's just close this out, guys. I don't want the video to seem like it's too long already. 9 months. What we're going to be paying attention to is the price needs to stay above this white line at the worst case scenario. Not saying that it's going to get this low, but this white line is currently at about 97 cents. If the sellers truly have control of this market, they're going to try to fulfill their obligation and break back below this white line on the 9th month that we've already verified. You guys can see right here on this 9th month, it actually closed below this white line and then actually had a very aggressive move up, but it closed below the white line again. You see it just got really violent after it closed below that white line, as if the buyers were just really ticked off to be back below that white line. So that's pretty much it, guys. The sellers have an obligation here. Even though the price is down, I'm actually going to look at this as a buy-in opportunity as long as the price stays above $1.20. That's it. Really simple. Okay? So, again, in closing here, if the sellers have an interest in this market and they're going to try and fulfill their obligation, again, the first level, $1.20. That's the first level. They must get the price below. If the sellers cannot compromise the $1.20 level, this means that the buyers are stepping into this asset and they are protecting this price from going lower. This stuff is not complicated, guys, please. And that's it. I think I've covered everything, guys. I need something to drink now, and that's pretty much it. $1.20 needs to stay above, and if the sellers are really aggressive here, they're going to break below 97 cents and go ahead and fulfill their obligations at the lower levels and continue the momentum to the downside if they have control here, which I don't think, but hey, the price action will let us know in due time, right? That's it, guys. Thanks for stopping here with me. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. If you enjoyed the content, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are completely ignoring all of my videos and you just go on that exchange every time you see I post a video and you just simply buy, because this is an incredible opportunity to buy at these levels. Let me know that down in the comment section, guys. Maybe you guys are right. I'm invested, so I don't know. I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen. My portfolio is down right now. I'll tell you that much on my options. So, hey, let's get this thing cracking or cranking, whatever. All right, that's it, guys. Take care of yourselves. Also, if you guys are new, just joining us before you go, we cover the alternative markets. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, we cover that throughout the week. So subscribe, hit the bell, so this way we actually send you that information when it's readily available. And again, we appreciate you guys joining us here. Thank you for that. And yeah, that's it. I think we covered everything, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. And bye for now, guys.